Good morning, my 12 subscribers. Oh, I should say 13. We got a new one yesterday. Anyways, for VEDA entry 6, I decided to do a food review. So, today we'll be reviewing the bagel, egg, and bacon sandwich from McDonald's. We'll find out if it's good. First, we will be reviewing the potato puck, or what McDonald's refers to as the hash brown. Seriously, this is not a hash brown. This is a glorified tater tot, and I do mean glorified. To be honest, I'd rather have a bag of fries. But I'll finish it. And now, the orange juice. It's not bad. It's pulp free. Let's see how best to put this orange juice. If not tang, ugh, nothing is tang. But if Sunny D and real orange juice had a baby, that's what this orange juice would be. I mean, it's not as good as real orange juice, but it's not Sunny D. So now we come to our main attraction. The bagel thingy. I keep forgetting the dumb name for some reason. Nope, not the steak, egg, and cheese bagel. Ah! Even has it nice and printed. The bacon, egg, and cheese bagel. Anyways, we're going to be doing probably the YouTube's first bagel unboxing. So it comes to you like this, and then to open it, you turn it over, and then you grab this, and you straighten it out, flattening it out as you go, and then you lift up the corner, and voila! There it is, sitting right there nicely. And you grab it, look at it a bit, start having your second thoughts for a little while, but you still are very interested in whether or not it's actually good. You can tell they toasted on site because if you see right there, you got burn marks. At least I really hope they're burn marks. Hopefully they weren't put on the floor. So, bite number 1. Bite number 1 was nothing but bagel. Seriously, look. Right there is where the egg starts. So I've got a little bit of cheese in there with the bite. But, yeah, that didn't turn out how I wanted it to. Oh, and a lot of butter. So much so that it's not even all the way melted. I'm going to try it on the other end. See? The other end, nice and... Should have started right here. Right there. That's where I should have started. The reason I didn't was because the burn marks are right there too. So let's see. Okay, my initial review is it's not the worst thing I've ever had at McDonald's, but it's definitely not the best. I mean, they smother the bottom piece with butter, so much so that it doesn't even melt. Or it could be the fact that it's not even butter, and that's why it's not really melting all the way. Then they put a slice of cheese, their square of egg, and then you can't call this a bacon sandwich. You can't even put bacon in the name. It's two little pieces of bacon, not even big giant pieces of bacon. Two little shrivels of what bacon should not be. And more cheese. And more butter. But they do toast the bagel, though, so that actually makes it taste a little better. Put that back together. And finish eating. Be sure to subscribe if should be right here. This is where it is. This is where the subscribe button is. Be sure to click it. Subscribe. I like subscribers. Then I'll say good morning to my 14th subscribers, or 15 or 16, however many subscribers I have at the time of the video. That'll be edited out, I promise. So, anyways, eventually I'll get out of this car and start showing you the world, my world. Until then, bye.